Hi guys, this is Tim from Tim's Homestead. It's April 14th, about 11 o'clock in the afternoon. Pretty nice out. It's a little not very sunny, but just want to do an unboxing of what I got from Indiana Berry Company yesterday. And that's in there. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm just using a GoPro camera, so I don't know how well you can see it. That's an Indiana Berry Company. This is where I got my blackberries last year, and these are all blueberry bushes. Just want to show you what they look like. I'm getting ready to plant them. And, this is what to expect from Indiana Berry Company. Order from them. This is the Patriot Blueberry. Looks like I got 2 of them in there. I ordered a total of 18 plants because that's the amount of half barrels that I have here. And so we got 2 Patriot. You can see, you know, how big the root mass is. I see a little bit of green on these. I ordered like, I don't know, 6 different kinds, I guess. Here's what I got, maybe. Oh, gotta get my glasses out. Tell you, not fun getting old sometimes. My glasses. Okay, I got these are the types of blueberries I got. I got Blu-ray, Duke, Elliott, Nelson, Bonus, Spartan, Patriot. So that's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different kinds, I guess. And there's supposed to be a total of 18. Anyway, oh, take the glass. Put them in my pocket so I don't lose them. Let's see what else we got. These are all labeled Spartan. And the roots are still moist. That's good. Like I said, I'm not wasting time. I want to plant them before I go to work. And yeah, there's green on these too. Some of them are a little smaller than I thought they would be. So I won't be getting any blueberries this year, I guess. Maybe next year. Them look a little bigger. Nelson and another one. Let's see. And one more. And I got this this rapid test digital soil pH meter. I don't know if you can see that. It might be too close, it might be too far. I can't tell. But yeah. I gotta hurry and get these in the ground. So I will cut this video now and plant these, and then show what they look like planted. Okay guys, I got them all planted. I still need to water them, but I gotta say I was kind of, well, quite a bit disappointed. It's just little tiny plants, root balls. Most of them, all of them, except for maybe 2 or 3, had real tiny, real scrawny root balls that were almost disconnected from the plants. Had a couple of plants that weren't even labeled. I don't know what they are. They did give me 1 extra plant. I planted 2 of them together. But anyways, you know, this one wasn't too bad. This was a Blu-ray, but that's a Blu-ray also. They're just more or less twigs with a little bit of root on them. I had some down here, the Patriots. They looked pretty good. They had a good root size to them. Yeah, not very good. I could have went to a big box store, and of course I wouldn't have had the variety. That one wasn't too bad. That one wasn't too bad. That's a Spartan, and that's a bonus. But I don't know. It is what it is, and we'll see how they do now. Like I said, I'm getting ready to water them. I got peat moss in these half barrels and good compost. I mixed it about 50-50 ratio, so it should be acidic enough for them. They say not to fertilize the blueberries, especially when you first plant them. If you do fertilize them later, just to use a little bit of fertilizer. Anyway, I'll end this video now so I can water them, and I'll upload it as soon as I can. God bless and take care. Bye.